Ah, perfect. Excellent. All right, place that on top and cup your edge of your hand to the inside edge of the pie. We're helping to get that shape of that rounded top that we want. So right on the inside edge. Okay, and then with the two, grabbing both crusts together, kind of ease those into the edge of the pan. I'm not pinching at this point. I'm just easing it in so that I've not stretched it too much, that it will either shrink back or not be enough. All right, once I have those going, I'm gonna trim the two pieces of dough so they're the same. I'm just feeling underneath because I can see where the bottom piece of dough is shorter than the top. Then I'm gonna roll that just to the edge of the rim. Just roll those two edges of dough underneath itself to give enough thickness to make a nice crimp underneath itself. And then this is for sort of a scalloped crimp. I take my thumb and my forefinger and I start there, and my thumb on the opposite, with the opposite hand, and push it in like that. And like that. And like that. All the way around. Like that. And like that. There we go. Excellent.